Hello, bonsai enthusiast. Today I want to talk about this really good bonsai tree care ebook. I had purchased it a while back and I love it. Whether you're a beginner or an expert in bonsais, this ebook has lots of information, knowledge about bonsai trees. 139 pages, fully illustrated, as you can see here. Um, it comes with a 60-day money back guarantee. um, for 14.77 is a great deal. It comes with a bonus, which is this right here. Bonsai Styles Decoded. You get instant access. You just basically click here, and then once you make payment, you get instant access to these ebooks. And as I mentioned, here's a 60-day money back guarantee. And if you haven't already gotten this, this will be a great read if you're doing bonsai trees. Enjoy.